let's dump this nugget into the demon sauce. That sounds hectic. Super purple, gooey. Here's the Hunter sauce. It's not gold, but here's the Hunter sauce. Let's get a good dip. Chicken nugget drenched in the Hunter sauce. This look like a noodle pack seasoning. We're supposed to throw in some ramen. I ain't gonna go too crazy because I know I'm not using whole fry. Let's try it. Let's see if you guys can see the sneezings on this fry. I definitely can see it loud and proud on my end. The HUNTRX meal, K-pop HUNTRX meal. Listen, I don't know nothing about K-pop. It says K-pop Demon Hunters. First of all, that sounds insane. And this goes back to, if you watch my Easter video, just going back to my trauma. Is really not trauma, but growing up as a kid, if this was called the K-pop Demon Hunter, my parents will not allow me to watch this at all as a child. And hey, they may be on the good side of things. They must be, obviously, by the sound of it, they're hunting demons. But just the fact that they had a D word in there, like, I don't even like saying the word, to be honest. Yeah, it would have been finitoed. When it comes to K-pop, my knowledge goes as far as, is it BTS? For K-pop, and the only reason why I know about them so much is because of the fact that they were brand ambassadors for Samsung for the longest. So you guys know I'm a techie guy, but they have a new meal out here. I end up getting the lunch meal because breakfast ain't nobody got time for that. Yes, I wake up that early, but I just don't like eating that early. So let's see what's in the menu. First of all, you guys know I'm a fan of the packaging. I love when a meal deal comes with a package. And let's take a full look. Lots of design. And this must be an adult meal because they gave me a large fry. Yeah, this must be an adult meal. This must be for the big kids. All right, 10-piece nugget. Okay, so I did ask for extra of these sauces, and I should have put these sauces in the thumbneasy, but I got the gold pack and the purple pack, and I asked for extra. Another gold pack and a purple pack. What else they got in here? All right, it's some cards. My sweet and sours for backup because I didn't know if I was just gonna rock with all those. Oh, snap. My shaker bag and this seasoning. Now, I don't know about this seasoning, you guys. And the reason why I said that is because I just don't see myself wanting to ruin my McDonald's fries for that seasoning. Oh, there it is. They're kind of already ruined. These are not the freshest of the fresh. Or maybe because it took me a little bit to get set up, but dang. Alright. You guys know I like to have things in the background. Let's go ahead. Oh, and also I got their McFlurry thing. And it has these like boba beads in it. And I've never had like that. I never ordered boba personally. So I'm excited to try that. Let's go ahead and taste these sauces to see what they're talking about. Let me put this in here. All right, so we have a Hunter sauce, and then we have a D sauce, a demon sauce. I don't like saying it. We have the demon sauce and the Hunter sauce. Let's open both of these up and see which one's going to be the better flavor. Purple is kind of insane. And that's a dark purple. Purple's kind of insane. Is this going to be gold? This just looks like barbecue, but it don't smell like barbecue at all. All right, let's put this fry to the side. All right, this is gonna fall far. Let's open these nuggets. And let's dunk. Actually, I'm gonna put this fry on this side. My fault. You guys know I like an aesthetic. Because I really want this box in here. All right, let's dump this nugget into the demon sauce. That sounds hectic. Super purple, gooey. One more dip. A lot of sauce on that one. I'll say that tastes like a Dijon mustard. A more darker flavored honey mustard. All right, here's the Hunter sauce. It's not gold, but here's the Hunter sauce. Let's get a good dip. Chicken nugget drenched in the Hunter sauce. Yeah, this one's like a sweet chili. Yeah. When it comes to both sauces, both of them are not bad, but I gotta stick to what I know. And what I know is sweet and sour. Mm-hmm. That's how you eat a nugget with sweet and sour sauce. Now, let's try these fries and see what these fries are talking about. I have a shaker bag. And apparently you're supposed to put some fries in here. And I don't want to use all my fries. So let's throw some in there. First of all, let me open the shaker bag a little bit more. This way. All right, I gave a good amount of fries. All right, then where's that seasoning? Where'd I put that seasoning at, you guys? I didn't leave it in the bag. I didn't leave it in the bag. Oh, there it is. Okay. The seasoning. Raymond seasoning. Raymond seasoning. Let's open this up. Okay, those are open right here. This looks like a noodle pack seasoning. We're supposed to throw in some ramen. I ain't gonna go too crazy because I know I'm not using whole fry. All right, let's try it. Let's see if you guys can see the sneezings on this fry. I definitely can see it loud and proud on my end. Yeah, I'm not a fan. My fries are kind of already ruined because they're not super fresh, but I would not get these with, I would not get fresh fries and put the season on it. To me, the seasoning just tastes like a ramen pack, like beef seasoning or something. I know y'all looking at me like, for you not to like it, you sure is going crazy with it right now. I was just trying to get a favorite profile. Definitely not, I wouldn't use the seasoning. It's not bad though. I just want to use it. I don't know, I guess I'm really like a dinosaur when it comes to McDonald's, and I feel like a lot of people are. Yes, I'm trying the new thing because I'm a content reviewer, but I promise you if I didn't do mukbangs, this would have never been bought. I'm okay with getting just my nuggets, my McChickens, my Big Macs, the occasional McDouble, and calling it a day. Like with McDonald's, you get what you get. You know what you're going to go get. You really don't switch it up and try anything new. And when I'm in line and I see people taking forever at the McDonald's line, I'm like, what is going on? This is McDonald's. You've been here over 100 times. You should know what you want. There's no look at the menu moment. There's no, let me see what you guys got. There's none of that. You guys should know what you want. This is McDonald's. Sipping a Powerade. Also got me a McChicken on the side because I knew the 10 nuggets wasn't gonna be enough. Spicy McChicken at that. I should have asked for extra mayo. I don't know what it is right now. And it could be because of the sauce that I ate. Because today is a two video day for me. But nothing's tasting the same right now. Like the flavor profiles are not profound like they usually are. I don't know why. I really think it's probably because of the seafood boil. Like that don't taste super sweet. I'm not tasting like this McChicken at all. Like literally at all. Like I feel like I'm eating bread with lettuce. Put some sweet and sour sauce on that, gets a little bit more profile. I don't know. Whatever it is, I'm not liking it though. Not at all. Okay. Let's try this McFlurry thing, whatever, majig. This is the, I forgot what this McFlurry was called. Like I said, it has boba things in it. I personally don't order boba at all. So I'm really excited to try this. It's almost leaking out. So let's just go ahead and try to, I want to do this, but I don't want it to leak out. All right, y'all see that bite? I got a good bite. I feel like I got a little bit of the profile of the boba and everything, but the K-pop, the HUNTRX McFlurry. Feels like I could be just eating like a blueberry McFlurry or something, but also I truly believe there's something wrong with my tongue right now. I feel like I'm not getting the full flavor profile that it possibly could be giving, or just could actually not be giving that much. Because to me, it's tasting like I'm eating vanilla ice cream with these little boba things like that's bursting and like a hint of blueberry flavor, like a hint. To me, guys, taste like I'm eating blueberry ice cream. I don't know. My tongue is broken today. I'm blaming the seafood, and I hope it actually is the seafood, because I'm not liking the way anything is tasting right now. And it is also later at night. It's 12:54, but that shouldn't be a thing. I'm really hoping it's the seafood, because I did switch up my mouthwash recently. And I'm using a different mouthwash, and I'm hoping, well, the crazy part is I'm using 2 different new mouthwashes. So I really can't pinpoint it down to one mouthwash, and I'm hoping that's not the case. It's my mouthwash or anything. But yeah, the HUNTRX meal down in the books. Let's open my playing cards. What is this? VIP? This is your exclusive access. Wait. What did I get? Did I get a movie ticket? What is this? This is your exclusive access, or I'm over here geeked. This is probably on the back of every single card. Over here geeked up like, what did I get? VIP exclusive access. Do I get to see the movie early or something? But I think this is like the people are supposed to get excited about, like the characters on there. And these are my characters. Now I could tell I haven't watched anybody else's review, so I don't know what I'm supposed to be looking at. Yeah, those are my characters, I think. I'm gonna be honest, I'm probably not gonna watch this at all. Doesn't seem like my style of show. Right now, I'm heavy on Jersey Shore, family vacation. Catching up. I know I'm super far behind. Guys, I'm so far behind. I'm just at the part where I'm like a couple episodes in of where Sammy came back. That's how far behind I am. Jersey Shore though, Hall of Fame reality TV. Definitely goated. Yeah, I'm done with this. I feel like I'm not getting that flavor profile from anything. My tongue is broken right now, and I'm praying it was the seafood sauce. Because that seafood sauce did make things taste weird. Like if I was drinking a soda, the aftertaste of the soda tasted weird because of the sauce. So I'm hoping that's the case. Because if my tongue is messed up like this permanently, oh, it's gonna help your boy lose weight like crazy. That's what it's tasting like. It's tasting like COVID. I feel like I just said a bad word that YouTube's gonna flag me for. It's tasting like how things tasted during the vid, when I had the vid, but when I had a serious case of the vid. Like, I'm not getting a true profile from anything. Like, this Powerade tastes watered down. And I have no ice in there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry, you guys. I know this is probably a hectic review. It's because, yeah, I really just did not get a favorite profile from anything. When it comes to those sauces, though, like I said, I was getting the honey mustard and like a sweet chili. I wouldn't use them personally, though. I'm sticking to my guns, my sweet and sours, and an occasional barbecue here and there. When it comes to the seasoning on the fries, I wasn't a fan. The fries were already ruined, though, so it's whatever. But I wouldn't, if I had some fresh McDonald's fries, never would I touch the seasoning on them fries. Never. And the McFlurry, I mean, I like how these little boba things pop. I love that feeling of it popping, and I wish it would just burst with flavor, and it probably is. It's just my tongue could really be messed up right now. So, like I said, I'm getting a hint of blueberry, but otherwise it's mostly vanilla ice cream with these little bubbles popping when I squeeze down. Maybe I gotta try again tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and TikTok. All is ZaddyChunkChunk. That is ZaddyChunkChunk, CHUNK. But ZCC family, as we all know, the grind never stops. Until the ZCC gang is on top. Let's get it!